Hey everyone, welcome to Lichybees Exim, where innovation meets efficiency in bulk packaging solution. Today, we are diving into the world of circular FIBC bags. Let's understand what are circular FIBC bags. A circular FIBC bag is a type of large flexible packaging commonly used for transporting and storing bulk materials such as grains, chemicals, minerals, and construction material. What makes circular FIBC bags from Lichybees Exim stand out? Let's find out. These bags are crafted with precision using best machinery and high quality materials. At Lichybees Exim, we prioritize durability and reliability in our circular FIBC bags. Each bag undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets international standards. Whether you are transporting agricultural products, chemicals, minerals, or any other bulk material, our circular FIBC bags provide the strength and flexibility you need. From construction sites to manufacturing plants, our bags are trusted worldwide for their efficiency and performance. So, for more details or to place an order, contact us on the number given below or visit our website Lichybees Exim. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more such products. Keep innovating. Thank you.